There are selected groups of people who are obtaining particulars of the national IDs and mobile phone contacts from unsuspected members of the public within the suburbs of Kampala, Mukono, and we are also verifying whether other parts of the country are also involved in this. Within the areas of Kampala, several residents, particularly from Chivuli, have tendered in their national ID particulars, whereas in Mukono, we have victims who were identified from Mukono town and also Ntao, one of the villages, on the promises of financial reward between 10,000 to 50,000. We believe the motive could be criminal due to the danger of probably misusing the information or mobilizing the public into acts of illegality. The file that we have with these photocopies is numbering 3,000, and we are investigating to establish the motivation. As a strong deterrent to potential perpetrators and instigators, the police has arrested a suspect, Issa Katumba of Nsambwe in Mukono, and we are investigating him to establish whether he has a network and whether this arrangement is one that is sophisticated. We have an exhibit of a laptop and mobile phone which we've recovered and are processing on whether it can lead us to a common source or other information of evidential value.